Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to create your own Flash USDT. This is the best USDT in the market right now. This will definitely gonna change the game of Flash. Before showing you how to create the ERC20 Flash USDT, I want to show you something very interesting. As you can see, we have transferred successfully 400,000 Flash USDT in our Binance. This is our Binance dashboard, and also we transferred 50,000 on stake. I was doing some trades here, doing some bets. So you can do bets with this Flash USDT and also transferred 100,000 Flash USDT on Trust Wallet. I have changed the chain from Binance from ERC20 to TRC20 network. So let's create our own Flash USDT step by step. So first go to remix.ethereum.org and from here create new file. Name it USDT.sol. And this is the code. This is the original code of USDT Flash. So I have pasted the code link in the description below. Copy the whole code and paste it here. And now go to Solidity compiler, choose the compiler version 0.6.6, and now compile USDT.sol. So we have compiled it. Now go to deploy, run and transactions. Now connect your wallet. So we have choose wallet connect here. Connect your wallet. So we'll do with MetaMask here. Let's connect our MetaMask wallet. Connect. So in this video, we'll create 100,000 Flash USDT using 0.1 Ethereum. We add some extra 0.19 extra to pay some gas fee. So now choose the token name Tether and token symbol USDT. Now click on transact. Now round the gas fee. Sometimes it's 4 or 5 like that. So max the gas fee and confirm it. It will take some charges and to deploy the contract. So our transaction was submitted. So wait for a few seconds. So our contract has been deployed successfully. Copy the address here. This is our contract address. Copy the address. Okay. And send here 0.1 Ethereum. Okay, send it. We have just copied the address. Make sure you copy the right address of your contract. Now send here 0.1 Ethereum. Continue and then confirm it. So also here, wait for a few seconds to load the balance. We have sent 0.1 Ethereum to my contract I have just created. So wait for it to load the balance. Okay, so our balance has been added to the contract. Go 0.1 Ethereum. Now start in again, max the gas fee. Do it 1. Gas fee is low now. Sometimes it's high 10 or 15 GUI, so better when it's low, then do the deployment. Okay, so transaction was submitted. So we have started the bot to get the Flash USDT in our wallet. So transaction is complete. Now close the extension and again click on withdraw. So this is the time to withdraw the Flash to our wallet. Now max the gas fee again. 1 and then confirm. Sometimes it takes like 1 to 2 minutes, and sometimes it comes instantly. So let's check our MetaMask wallet. So we have to import our coin here. Import token and search USDT and import it. Okay, so we have received 100,000 Flash. You can transfer it any wallet, any exchange. If you have any issue or difficulty in creating Flash USDT, feel free to contact me on Telegram.